When high blood pressure is a dilemma, to reduce it with medication, folk remedies, or not to reduce it at all. Have you ever faced this choice? What if we tell you about a remedy that will definitely solve this problem? Do you need to lower your blood pressure? Official medicine says it is necessary. Otherwise, doctors scare you with the risk of heart attack and stroke. But the question arises, why did the pressure rise? That is, why does the heart need to pump blood with more force? The logical answer is that it can't supply blood to the body at normal pressure. This is either because of vasoconstriction or because the heart itself is malfunctioning. Sometimes the kidneys and other organs, which do not receive nutrients with blood, signal the need to compensate for this deficiency. This leads to the conclusion that it is not necessary to lower the blood pressure, because otherwise other organs will start to have problems. What about the risk of heart attack and stroke? How do we solve the problem? The answer lies in an alternative approach. Some experts advise not to fight the symptom, which is high blood pressure, but to solve the problem, because of which it rose. By normalizing the work of the heart, vessels, metabolism and excretory system, a person normalizes the pressure. Among the various products that contribute to the solution of these problems is hibiscus tea. What is the peculiarity of this tea? The first and very important advantage is its proven efficacy. Scientific studies have compared the effect of hibiscus tea with the hypotensive drug lisinopril. The results showed that they are almost equally effective. But from the tea there are no side effects common to any hypotensive drug. In addition, tea contains a lot of vitamins and minerals, including potassium and zinc, on which the health of the heart muscle and blood vessels, as well as the absorption of glucose and cholesterol depends. That's why hibiscus tea has a complex effect on the cardiovascular system and metabolism. Add to this the low caloric content of the drink, only 5 calories in 100 milliliters. What else does this tea help with? In addition to heart function and fat digestion, hibiscus tea can help with nervous system disorders. It keeps the body under normal stress and helps improve mood. Secondly, it is a mild diuretic, which normalizes the water electrolyte balance and cleanses the kidneys. Third, hibiscus liquefies phlegm, reduces fever and inflammation in colds. The fourth ability of this drink is to stimulate blood flow, including in the reproductive organs. Because of this, it is indicated for women during menstruation and for men to improve erections. Tea from hibiscus is used to rinse the hair and create masks for the skin. Of particular note is its effectiveness in reducing the risk of cancer. Studies have shown that the likelihood of stomach cancer in patients with gastritis when drinking this drink dropped by 52%. How do you make hibiscus tea? You may have thought it was some kind of rare exotic tea. But in fact, it's the well-known hibiscus tea. When buying it, it is important to choose the right quality raw material. The petals should be whole and of medium size. If the petals are too large, it is an indication that the plant has been overripe. Petals, which are broken in pieces, are an indicator of poor quality. The color is evenly red. Do not take pale underripe and too dark overripe or overdried flowers. To make this tea, pour 2 tablespoons of raw materials with a glass of boiling water and heat over low heat for 3 to 5 minutes. When ready, you can add a little sugar if you do not like the natural sourness of this drink. Some people like a strong, full-bodied decoction of Carcade and heat it for 10 minutes for this purpose. But you should understand that the longer the tea is heated, the faster it loses its healing properties. Therefore, for maximum preservation of the beneficial qualities of this beverage, Carcade is brewed like regular tea. 1 or 2 teaspoons of dried flowers, pour a glass of boiling water and insist for 5 minutes. By the way, did you know that you can eat the Carcade flowers? It is an excellent condiment for many dishes. This tea is contraindicated to people who suffer from hyperacidity of the stomach, as well as from kidney and gallbladder stones. Take into account that the Carcade has an invigorating effect, so you should not drink it at night. Do you like it? Do you use it for medicinal purposes?